Today I'd like to show you how to install Netlogo. We need to download it and install it in order for it to function on our netbooks. So the first thing we want to do is go to the internet. Once we're there, we're going to go to the following website. You'll just simply erase this, and we're going to go to ccl.northwestern.edu/netlogo. Okay, and we'll hit enter or the following key. So here we are. We're at the download spot, and we do need to download Netlogo. So first I'm going to actually click on the downloads because it is important to figure out what we need. We're going to type in our name, and I'm going to just type in mine, organization, Miles North High School, need it for classes. Download. And it's going to give you 3 versions. Of course, we want a little penguin because the penguin represents Linux, and that's the one that we need to download in order for us to work in class. So we're going to download that right now. I personally want you to save it so you'll have it somewhere and you know where it's at. It makes more sense than to go right to the archive manager. So we're going to save it so I find the location of it. This in Firefox automatically saves to my download. How do I know that? I'm going to right click and go to open the container folder. When you open the container folder, you can see that you are in downloads. So it is right here. As you see, this is like a box, like a closed box. The tar.gz means that it's like a zip file for Linux. So we have to expand it. So I'm going to open again with the archive manager just so you can see what it does. And you can see the folder. There's a folder. It was compressed, kind of shrunk together. We're going to click on the folder and hit extract. And it's going to ask me where do you want to extract it to. I'm going to keep it in the same spot. We'll keep it in the download folder, which is fine. We're going to recreate everything, overwrite the existing. I'm just going to hit extract. And what's going to happen is going to take that folder out and we'll be done. So let's show the files. Now you see you have the zipped one and the open folder. Now since this folder is zipped and it doesn't actually install anything into the application, it's not going to be anywhere here. So the problem with this installation is that it works, but you have to go into the folders and find it. So you can actually move that. So right now we put it in downloads. So we're going to go back to Netlogo and we're going to run netlogo.sh. This is the file that actually runs Netlogo. Now if we just run this, it's going to ask you whether you want a terminal display. I'm just going to run it. I don't want to run it in terminal. We're just going to run the executable files. Now, there's a stipulation to this. You need to have Java installed on this machine. How do you get Java? Well, there is a video that Mr. Fehrenbacher actually ran to show you how to install specific Javas that would work for most of the Java-based stuff out there. The video, there's another link on the website that shows you how to do that from Mr. Fehrenbacher's video side. So now that I have this working, now you can follow the instructions that your teacher gives you to download the libraries and run the different scripts.